Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a peanut butter sandwich. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 2 slices of bread, your choice of creamy or crunchy peanut butter, and your favorite jelly or jam. Make sure your workspace is clean and you have a butter knife ready for spreading. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable sandwich-making process. Now, take 1 slice of bread and place it flat on your clean surface. Using a butter knife, scoop out approximately 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Carefully spread the peanut butter across the entire surface of the bread, reaching close to the edges. Aim for an even layer to ensure every bite has that delicious, nutty flavor. This step is crucial for a well-balanced sandwich. Next, pick up your second slice of bread. With a clean knife, or by wiping off the peanut butter, scoop about 1½ tablespoons of your chosen jelly or jam. Spread this fruit evenly over the second slice of bread, just as you did with the peanut butter. Make sure to get it close to the edges for a consistent taste throughout your sandwich. Finally, carefully place the jelly-covered bread slice on top of the peanut butter-covered slice, aligning the edges. Gently press down on the top slice to secure the 2 halves together. You can cut your sandwich in half, diagonally or straight, for easier eating. Now, your perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich is ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.